Welcome back to Brushes and Blades, and today I'm going to show you how to make this kit swappable with magnets. As we know, this box comes with 3 different weapons, 2 sets of them, but only 2 frames, and I'm going to show you how to save money with this kit by using magnets. The tools that we're going to need for this are a hobby knife, very small magnets. These one in particular that we're using today are 1/8 by 1/16. And then said drill bit that is roughly the same diameter. All right, let's get down to the pig cam, and I'm going to show you what you got to do to make this swappable. All right, so first things first, you need to basically sub-assemble everything to roughly this step right here. All right, so I've fully done the chassis minus these little connection points that go onto the las cannon and the cannon. I have assembled the cannon, assembled the las gun, and whatever the heck this thing is called. We've assembled this even with the faceplate on it. We are not going to install the faceplate that goes to these 2. So first I'm going to show you some detailed points. As you can see, there's lots of shiny. Every single one of these points is a magnet. All right, so using the X-Acto knife to drilling a pilot hole and then using a drill bit, I just manually used this drill bit with my hand, just giving light pressure, and I was able to get into the plastic enough with a good pilot hole. All right, so as you can see here on the frame, I have centered where these go with a magnet on both sides, and on these I have a subsequent magnet on the bottom side and then a magnet here. So to get this one, all you need to do is to snip off this connection point. That's one of the points that you're not supposed to glue through the instructions. Snip it off and then basically just drill straight through from this side and get all the way through, and then finish off with the drill bit to get all the way through with a nice clean hole. And then once you do that, glue and install said magnets. If you have any gaps or anything like that during any of these steps, I went back through on many of them and used some sprue goo to kind of fill in the holes where they were a little bit offset, or to fill any gaps. All right, so with this one, one trick that I did to help me out here is that this magnet, the left side and the right side magnets on this top post are flipped, and the same for the cannon and the las gun. So they will go there, and go there. And also, just one more point, we also put in right here, I cut off the push to fit spot here. I left about 1/3 of it at the bottom, and then used the top point as a reference to match for where I put my magnets on this faceplate. So what this allows is that you can basically just, boom, faceplate installed, and then you can just give it a little push. Oops. A little push to get it to stick, and then install the cannon, and you're good to go, and you have a functioning cannon. And then there we go, and the las gun, boom, las gun installed. A bonus, you don't have to do this, is I actually filled in with a piece of sprue and then with some sprue goo, and then while the goo was still wet, I placed a magnet inside of here that actually will connect to the base magnet I have for my travel kit, and that even when I do get some terrain and stuff on here eventually, the magnet will actually stick right where it needs to go on the bottom portion to hold the little battery pack down, which is a nice little bonus that'll connect there. And then, like I said, we're going to show you all of it. We did the same thing as we used the top section as a pilot. This one was pretty easy because between this connection point and this connection point, don't even worry about this one. I almost thought about changing this out to a magnet and drilling another hole here, but I didn't want any more unsightly magnets. You just pull these bad boys off, and bam, it's on there. That's it. Two little magnets right up front. Hold this in place enough to play. And again, I'll show you how easy this was. Whoa. Oh, handle's getting me there. There we go. Boom. It's there. It's still functionable. You can pick it up. You can shake it, and you're good to go. All right, real quick and dirty one today. If you learned anything from this, or you've tried this method, or you have some other tips, please leave them down in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for the next one. And YouTube thinks you'll like this video right here, and you can click this button right here to subscribe. And remember, every stroke of the brush and swing of the blade adds character to your miniature.